A dishwasher is a mechanical device for cleaning dishware and cutlery automatically, unlike manual dishwashing, which relies largely on physical scrubbing to remove soiling. The mechanical dishwasher cleans by spraying hot water, typically between 45 and 75 degrees Celsius, at the dishes, with lower temperatures used for delicate items.
A mix of water and dishwasher detergent is pumped to one or more rotating spray arms, which blast the dish with the clean mixture. On the wash is finished, the water is drained. More hot water is pumped in and rinse begins.
In addition, domestic units, industrial dishwashers are available for use in commercial establishments such as hotels and restaurants, where a larger number of dishes must be cleaned. Washing is conducted with temperatures of 65 to 71 degrees Celsius, and sanitation is achieved by either the use of a booster heater that will provide a 82 degrees Celsius final rinse temperature, or through the use of a chemical sanitizer.
Josephine Cochrane was the first successful commercial dishwasher inventor. He was born in Shelbyville, Illinois on 1839. Because of his boredom to see his children always breaking dishes when washing, Josephine Cochrane took the initiative to make an automatic dishwasher. The result of his discovery was painted in his name in the year 1886.